Today in this lesson, I will explain what is Iodoform test, and I also give you some tips that how you can identify which type of reagent give a positive iodoform test. Okay, first of all, which group give positive iodoform test? Remember that number one group is called aldehyde and ketones. Basically, we have specific type of aldehyde and ketones which have this methyl carbonyl group. Now, remember this methyl and carbonyl should be there to have a positive iodoform test. And another type of chemicals which are called alcohols. And we have two type of alcohols. Number one alcohol is ethanol, and the second alcohol is basically 2-ol. Whenever we have a OH group is attached to the second carbon, then these type of alcohols give positive iodoform test. Okay, moving forward. Okay, now I will tell you the what are the reagent of iodoform test. Number one, we can use sodium hydroxide along with iodine, or we can also use sodium carbonate along with iodine. Basically, these reagently oxidize the aldehyde or ketones or alcohols. Moving forward, let's suppose I have a acetaldehyde. Now you can clearly see it has methyl group as well as the carbonyl group. So this chemical is fulfilling the condition for the iodoform test. So what will happen if I just react with sodium hydroxide and iodine? It will first form iodoform, which formula is CHI3, and it show us a yellow ppt. So with with the help of this yellow ppt, we are able to say that it is forming iodoform. Okay, and the second product we get, basically it is the oxidized product of our acetaldehyde, that is the sodium salt of the remaining part. Okay, the other is sodium iodide and water. Right now I am not showing you the balance equation. Basically I'm more focusing on the what kind of product we are getting. Okay, let me give you another example. This one is 2-propanol, because the OH group is attached to the second carbon. Okay, when it react with sodium hydroxide along with iodine, so what do you think it will give you iodoform test? Yes, because I already told you 2-ols always give positive iodoform test. So it will give us iodoform CHI3 along with the oxidized product, and this product will be containing 2 carbon. Okay, now let me give you a very important tip regarding how this reaction can be completed. Whenever you see uh, in a compound, when there are 3 carbon, one group of CH3 converts into iodoform, and the remaining part get oxidized, forming a sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So this is the simple trick to understand to make the reaction complete. And remember that it in the presence of sodium hydroxide, so it also forms sodium iodide and water. And in the last, you have to just balance it. All the products are now correct.